Okay guys, I'm just at the foot of the Alamein Slabs and buttress. I'll just show you on the right hand side of the main buttress is the original slabs, which tends to run with water and forms good ice early season. Unfortunately it does bank out quite quickly, but despite the thaw, you can see the ice there, and the line's pretty well almost complete. So that's a route that originally I'd called Zig Zags. It's zigzagged its way up there. Reasonable conditions in Scotland. You've basically got to make the most of it. So a bit of ice there over the slabs. So it's basically sort of slabs that run with water, and they freeze up, and the ice can be quite thick here, but as soon as you get heavy snowfall it gets buried really quickly. So it's a good early season, normally, November, December. It's basically rocky slabs that run with water. Just be careful here. Thick ice there, almost took an ice screw. A bit hollow in places, so easy to take care. I could go around the side, or I could take it direct. I'm feeling bold as ice thick enough. It's not thick there, that's for sure. Not thicker there. Let's hope the ice doesn't depart from the rock. Nice. So you can go to the right, so it looks a bit more complete to the left there. So just make sure I get thick enough ice, it doesn't break away. It's a bit soft here. So I can easy to the right, a bit more of a bulge to the left. There's a big hole there. So I'll get this off the shoes. That's okay. Not good for the feet, but also this bulge of snow is good. As my feet slip out. So hopefully it's not just that one little bit that's good. So the axes are good. Soft there for the feet. The axe is good. Get it over in a more deeper bit of snow here. Yeah. Oh, there's a ptarmigan up there. Oh, flock of them. I thought it was just lumps of snow. See the ptarmigan. Not expecting to see me here. Whew. Got quite soft boots on, so starting to feel it in the calves. So, yeah, I might go to the left. So I'm sort of test the placements. If they start to move through, you know, it's not so good, but if they go in and don't pull through it, it's a borderline just now. You know, it's not so bad, an easy angle because it's all on your feet, but yeah, it's pretty good. As I say, I haven't actually done this for 10 years almost. One of the first routes we did here.